If you're working on a HDR project like I am here, and your video is playing fine, and then when you bring in a Apple RAW image into your timeline, and then everything looks absolutely hideous. I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. Here are my project settings, just so you can see. Go into the color management. I'm using Davinci YRGB, Davinci Wide Gamma Intermediate, color space is the important bit, Rec 2100, ST 2084 scene, HDR mastering for 1000 nits. So to fix this, I'll put my clip on the timeline. We're going to go into the color page. You see it looks horrible. All the colors are knackered. Do a search for a color space transform, drag it onto the node. And then all you're going to do is where it says input gamma, we're going to look for Rec 2100 HLG and watch where the magic happens. Boom. And that should look perfect. Then you can go into your edit page and adjust the scale as necessary. We should see that it's all looking great. Okay, so if you have a whole load of images like this, I'm going to bring all these onto the timeline. What I'm going to do, the best way to do this is to add them to a group. So here's all our new images that I just imported to make sure they're all selected. And then go right click. And then you want to add them into a group. So add into new group. I'll just call this demo for the time being. And then all we're going to do is click on one clip. Click on the clip up here, go group pre-clip. Do exactly what we did before, color space transform. Input gamma, then we're going to find Rec 2100 HLG. And now what you should see is each of your pictures, because we put them in a group, should be the correct color space.